Hey, what's up you guys, this is Mohammed Sajid Hassan. You're watching Sajid's Take. Here in this video I'm going to talking with about how you can recover your deleted messages in your Messenger Facebook. This will be some very simple steps and you need to follow those, and after that you can do it. So before starting this video, there are a request: if you are not already the subscriber of my channel, then please subscribe, and if you do so still now, so thanks a lot. Start this video with me. Okay guys, here we are there. You need to follow some simple steps and after that you can do it. So first of all, you need to update your Facebook from here in the Google Play Store. So here from you need to go to the Google Play Store and update your Facebook to find out your Facebook, and you can see your Facebook is updated. Once you update it and open it Facebook with your that app, and if you want you can log in there. And after that, here you need to go to on this three bar and make sure that it's your account. And now go to on the settings and privacy, go to the settings, and from here go to the down to the below. You will get some options from here that download your information. So from here you can see this is your download your information, and here there have a lot of informations for you. So in this case we will only select our messages option, that we want to just get the messages to restore. So deselect all from here, and from here we will select these messages from here. And now go to the down to the below, you will get some more options, that is the date range. So date range, all of my date, that means from the very beginning of my this Facebook, it will take this right now. So here if you want you can also select your date range from here too, as I want to add it here for my last 1 month, so I just take it here. And the format, it must have to be in the HTML, otherwise in the JSON it could be very tough for you. So media quality, I refer you to make it as a low, as we needn't to use this media, or if you want to see the media to the time, make it medium so that it will not consume a lot of spaces. So now click on this create file, and it will take a bit time for you, and it's pending on here. And here this will not pending for a lot of times, so you need to wait for here. A copy of your information is being created. Your copy may contain more than one file depending on how much information your request contains. We will let you know when your copy is complete, and so you can download it to preferred device. As you see here, you need to wait for at least 3 to 5 minutes so that all the files will be created and uploaded here or downloaded here. And here once it's ready, that time you can see your Facebook information file is ready to download in your notification. And here from you can see your available copies. So from here download it, and it will be downloaded here. And but here you need to go to this. So here you can see this is it's downloaded. So and here you need to install another app. This is for your WinRAR, and here I'll also give you that link in the description below. And after that open it, and here once you open it, that time it will show you here. And from here go to on the downloads from here, or in the root directory where your this zip file will be downloaded. So from here click here, and here you can see this is extracted here. So here from in the messages inbox, and here you can see some inboxes here that is deleted, or here it's already created there. So you can also see those by in your desktop that you want. And I hope you understand about this. And now you can also do it in your mobile phone now if you want. Guys, this is the thing that I want to share with you, that how you can recover your deleted messages, and it's really simple for you guys. If you want, that time you can do it. Now guys, it's your turn. Hopefully it will be working for you guys. If it works in your mobile phone, that time I request you please give a like that video, comment me below on this video, share this video with your friends. So guys, no more today, we will meet in the next video. So till the end, take care, have a nice day.